Good morning, dear students. Once again, we are here to discuss RDOE worksheet 57 from your chapter Gravitation, and today we will discuss about the motion of object under the influence of gravitational force. Didi asked, "Can you tell me if I drop a ball of iron and another ball of plastic of the same size in the vacuum from the same height, which one will fall and reach to the ground first?" First of all, you must know about the vacuum. Vacuum where there is no air. When there is no air, no medium is present, not even air is present, then that is called as vacuum. Okay. So Didi asked from Kyan that if I have a two balls, one is made up of iron and another is plastic ball, and I drop these two balls in vacuum from the same height, okay, then which ball reach to the ground first? Then Gyan answered, the mass of plastic ball is less than that of the mass of iron ball, so due to which the plastic ball will reach first to the ground. But it is not like that. Then Didi answered, as we know that every object is attracted towards the earth by the gravitational force, and due to which the acceleration due to gravity is produced, which is called as small g. The acceleration due to gravity does not depend upon the mass. This is very important. Acceleration due to gravity does not depend upon the mass of the object. Therefore, in vacuum, not only these two balls, but all the objects fall with the same rate and reach to the ground at the same time. Okay, keep in mind all objects dropped in the vacuum reach to the ground at the same time with the same rate. Okay, in normal condition, if we perform a similar activity with the feather is a kind birds, which we call as a punk in Hindi, okay, and a stone, we observe that the feather reaches to the ground little later than the stone. Stone reaches to the ground first. Why this happen? Because air produces some resistance in the path of feather. So the resistance offered by the air to the feather is more than that of the resistance offered to the stone, due to which the falling speed of the feather is slower than that of the stone. Feather feel the resistance of the air, whereas stone does not feel any kind of resistance, so it fall first to the ground. But if we perform the same activity in the vacuum, where there is no air, all the objects fall freely from the same rate, that is with the effect of acceleration due to gravity, and reach to the ground at the same time. Okay, so near the earth's surface, the distance from the center of the earth can be taken almost equal to the radius of the earth, right? And in this case, so the value of g considered as the surface of the earth. Therefore, the three equation of the motion where acceleration is a, we take acceleration due to gravity and replace a with the g. So first equation will be v is equal to u plus gt, not at. Second, s is equal to ut plus half gt square, and third equation 2gs is equal to v square minus u square. Next we have, when a stone is thrown upward opposite in the direction of gravitational force, its acceleration due to gravity, that is g, is taken as a negative, because it is against to the direction of the gravitational force. As I told you, it is opposite to the gravitational force. When a stone is fall down, then the g is taken positive, because it is in the direction of the force of gravitational force. Means what? If you take a stone and move and throw it in the upward direction opposite to the gravitational force, that is opposite to the earth's direction, then we will take g in the negative form. And if a stone is dropped from the roof of the top of the roof to the ground, then the g is positive. Let's do the practice exercise. First question we have, if we draw a piece of paper and a thick iron nail from the same height at the same time in the vacuum, then which object will reach to the ground? First explain. If we drop all these things, as we can say, acceleration due to gravity does not depend upon the mass of the object. Therefore, in vacuum, not only these two, if we drop any object, then it reach to the ground with the same rate and with the same height. This is answer of your first question. Explain the acceleration due to gravity is taken g for any object thrown in the upward direction. Why? Because if we throw any object in the upward direction, acceleration due to gravity is taken as a negative because it is against to the direction of gravitational force. Third question we have, why objects reach to the ground at different interval time when they are dropped from the same height at the same time in the normal condition. In normal condition, air produces resistance, and the resistance offered by air causes the change in the time when they are dropped from the same height. This is answer of your third question. Write the three equation of motion. You have to write these three equations. So this is all about your today's worksheet. I hope you liked it. So share with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you, bache. Take care.